Xiaomi is renowned not just for its cutting-edge smartphones, but also for its extensive range of innovative products. Among these, Xiaomi has carved a niche for itself in the wearable tech market, becoming one of the leading brands in this segment. While Xiaomi is well known for its adult-oriented smartwatches and fitness trackers, it also boasts a series of smartwatches specially developed for children, although this lineup has been primarily available in its home market of China. Under the Mitu branding, Xiaomi has introduced a range of kids smartwatches that combine functionality with child-friendly features. Recently, there has been an exciting development in Xiaomi's kids smartwatch series. An upcoming Xiaomi wearable for children has been discovered in the International Mobile Equipment Identity Database by Xiaomi UI, a trusted source for Xiaomi-related leaks and information. According to the listing, this new product is developed with the model number MTSB25XUN and will officially be known as the Mitu Kids Smartwatch 7X. As the name suggests, the Mitu Kids Smartwatch 7X is expected to succeed the Mitu Kids Smartwatch 6X, which was released in 2022. However, the listing does not divulge any specific details about the device's features or specifications. Given that this new wearable has appeared in the IMEI database, it is reasonable to assume that it will continue Xiaomi's tradition of offering cellular connectivity, just like its predecessors. This connectivity feature will allow young wearers to make audio and video calls to their parents or guardians, communicate via popular messaging platforms like WeChat and QQ, and provide real-time location updates, ensuring peace of mind for parents. In line with Xiaomi's commitment to delivering high-quality products, we can anticipate that the Mitu Kids Smartwatch 7X will sport a durable and child-friendly appearance, available in attractive colors. It is likely to be water-resistant to withstand the rigors of children's daily activities and play. Additionally, the inclusion of a camera and microphone may enable kids to engage in interactive experiences and communicate with loved ones. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Mitu Kids Smartwatch 7X is expected to offer a range of educational apps to enhance children's learning experiences. It may also support contactless payments, allowing kids to make simple transactions under parental supervision. Basic workout modes could promote physical activity and health-conscious habits among young users. Given Xiaomi's history of releasing products with fanfare on social media platforms, it is likely that the Mitu Kids Smartwatch 7X will be introduced quietly through such channels, generating excitement among its target audience. In conclusion, Xiaomi's foray into the children's smartwatch market with the Mitu series demonstrates the company's commitment to offering a wide variety of innovative products. The impending release of the Mitu Kids Smartwatch 7X is bound to generate curiosity and anticipation among both parents and children, as they look forward to yet another feature-packed and reliable device from Xiaomi. What do you think about the new watch from Xiaomi? Write your opinion in the comments below. Also, do not forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.